it, and I got a lot of stuff, guys. You won't believe that I spent 41,000 in just this stuff. This is the fish I got, and I got, I think, 4 pieces of catfish. I'm going to be cooking 2 soup and 1 stew. So this is the fish I got. I'm done washing it. I just want to separate it into 3 places so that I'm going to know which is for which. Then over here are the stuffs I got. I'm going to be making vegetable soup. This is saint leaf. This is crayfish, utazi, onion. Guys, this onion is 1,500. This is ugu. This is green. This green is 500. Green is very cheap, so this is ugili. I think I got this for 1,000. Pepper, I got pepper for 1,500 because I'll be keeping some at home, so that I won't be buying pepper anytime I need it. Then I got stockfish for each was 3,500. So these are all the things I got for 41,000. Guys, things are very expensive, but I'm quickly going to cook, and I'll see you guys later. So I'm going to use peak milk, just little sugar. I think this is enough. Guys, I'm done. This is the first meal I'm going to be having today. So this is what I'm going to be having: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Because it's already past 5 already. So let's go and eat. I did justice to the custard. Yeah, I did Milo. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Like, I forgot I was even vlogging. I just wanted to run errands so quickly. But let me give you guys a quick rundown of what I did today. I made garden egg sauce I don't know if you guys will see it in this vlog or the next vlog. Just know that it's a continuation. And after that, I slept off, guys. After eating a good meal, you definitely sleep. So I slept off. Then when I woke up, I had my bath. I went to book a space for tomorrow because the girl is looking all crusty tomorrow, so I'll do my hair. By the way, today is Thursday, so tomorrow is Friday. I'll go and do it on Friday. Then after doing that, I bought attached to and I gave them so that they'll be able to pick it so that tomorrow when I just come, I'll just make my hair. And after that, I went to the hospital for some tests. I ran some tests, which is very important, by the way. I'm all fine. It's just personal stuff. So that's it, guys. Guys, I don't know why I sweat when I'm on my natural hair. Like when I pack my natural hair like this, or that's why you hardly see me pack my hair. I don't like it. I sweat more when my natural hair is out. But that's that, by the way. I just stopped in here to give you guys updates on how my day has been. And guys, I always forget that I have a mic. See, I'm using my mic right. Yeah, I always forget that I have a mic. Forget this poll. Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Yeah. I was thinking of 100k. Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Thank you guys for always watching, liking, subscribing, and doing all those good stuff. I'll see you guys later. Bye.